Yes sir, here we go. We're gonna go over to the Daytona Speedway, check out some bikes, hang out, check out some vendors, maybe get a fucking snack, because boy, I'm hungry. I've been riding all day. I already did like 150 miles today, which I know ain't shit, but still in the hot Florida sun takes it out of you, boy. Oh my god. Alright, let's walk, let's take a little drive through all the bikes here. Whoa. Yeah, it's Sunday afternoon, so it's a little thinned out, but we're gonna take a little cruise around, see what's here. I want to see some sport bikes. Some fucking baggers. Oh my god, look at that. Holy guacamole. This is crazy, boy. Wait till next weekend. Oh, next weekend is, you ain't gonna be able to drive through here. Second weekend's always busier. Always. This. I love parking under here, nice and cool, and in the motherfucking shade. But we gotta hit a lot first. Oh, we gotta go over to the Kawasaki tent. I swear, that's where it's at. I want to see them H2s. Yeah, they cleared up. That was where the stunt show was yesterday. Yeah. They cleared up. Ooh, unfinished Hayabusa. ZX10. Yes, sir. Yeah, she definitely thinned out. But let's just go take a little drive over here and see what we got. A bunch of Harleys, you know, the usual. Oh, there's the Honda tent. I've been looking for that tent. They're in a weird place. Okay. Check it out. Hayabusa. You know, the typical road glide. See, I ain't really got nothing against Harleys. I do not at all. It's just, you know, it's not that I like to stand out. I just like to be unique, you know what I mean? And I swear, every bike you see is a freaking Harley. They're all the same, and I don't know. I can't get on that bandwagon. Like, for instance, I'm on this 2017 FC10, and I literally just saw the first one, like, right before I started filming this video. Literally, this is the first one I seen, and I've probably passed 10,000 bikes. It's insane. Definitely sport bikes are, you know, not as common here for sure. I remember when I had my orange 2012 Z1000 here, I didn't see the same bike not one time. It was insane, which is kind of the goal I was going for, you know. I want to be unique. I don't want to be like everybody else, you know. It's just like, oh, kind of lame. But the Harleys, they sound good. I do like that, and you know, I'm probably gonna end up on one day. And you know what's fucking weird. I just told you guys that I have not seen a 2012 Z1000 like my orange one, and there's one right there. That is so freaking weird. Yeah, mine is exactly the same except for has carbon fiber exhaust, windscreen, tail, a couple other things. Yeah, but wow, that's a weird coincidence right there. So yeah, that's a little tour of the bike area. Like I said, it thinned down a little bit. Things are kind of ramping down. I guess all the party's moving over to Main Street. So we're gonna head over there and check it out.